Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the problem. Test each side alone to isolate whether the driver or the wiring is at fault. Once done, prepare tools and a clean workspace. Make sure to power cycle and reset Bluetooth devices because software issues mimic hardware faults. Open any removable ear cup carefully so you can inspect visible wires and connectors. You need to note which side is silent and whether the cable plug shows where. That observation guides whether you replace a lead, jack, or internal connection. You now probe the wiring and components to find the fault. First, use a multimeter to check continuity through the cable and plug. This tells you if the signal path is broken. Next, inspect solder joints and ribbon cables. Flex them gently to see if noise or connection returns, because intermittent faults often hide in brittle solder. If possible, swap in a working cable or temporary connector to confirm the driver itself still works. Once you locate the bad segment, plan a targeted repair rather than replacing the whole unit. You perform the repair. Resolder broken joints with good technique, or replace the damaged cable or plug, and reinforce strain relief so the fix lasts. Reassemble and run mono and stereo test tracks, checking balance across volumes to confirm both sides work. If the side remains silent, swap in a known good driver to prove whether the speaker element failed. If it's sealed or complex, stop and seek authorized repair to avoid further damage. Quick troubleshooting tip: wiggle connectors while testing to reveal intermittent faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.